In this video, I'm gonna teach you the concept of projection in MongoDB. I have written down this query. I'm fetching all the delivery countries by using the find method. Did you notice that it's giving me all the fields in delivery countries? Like each document will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, more than 10 to 12 fields. So if you get the more fields, your data size will be increased. What happen if you are building a large scale application and you have 1 million plus users? On the front end side or on the Android side, you don't need these attributes, you don't need these properties, but your API is fetching all of the extra records. So this will be the problem or the pain point. So you can implement the projection concept. I can say to MongoDB, I only want to return the name and the name of the city. Let's do that. How can you do it? I got the same collection from our previous video. Here I want to write query delivery countries and let me find all the collections, but I'm only interested in specific fields. You use the dot operator. Here you will provide the projection. Let's say I can specify the name. I'm telling to MongoDB, give me all the records from the delivery countries, but I'm only interested in the name property. You can see that I got the name. You can also it will give the ID, but if you want to skip the ID, you can also do that. Let's say I can say I don't want to get the ID, so I can provide the ID with the 0. 0 means please don't give me the ID, only give me the names. Here you can see I got the name. What about return all excluded fields? What you can say, you can also tell, let me copy that. You can also tell to MongoDB, I don't want name and the ID, I want the rest of the other properties. You can also exclude fields just like here. You can see I didn't get the name and the ID, I got this record. If you want to get the record from embedded document, here we have cities and I only interested in the name property. You can do that. Let me copy that and I'm gonna paste it here. I'm only interested in the name of the city and the city's name. You use the dot operator. Remember that I told you if you want to access the embedded document, you need to use the array. You need to use the dot operator. I'm only interested in the city name and the name property. Let's see what will happen. Name is not defined. Cities dot name. Let me comment the rest of the existing code. Let's run it. Now you can see that I got the name, this one, the name of the delivery country, and I'm only interested in the name property from the cities array. We also have the settings embedded document. I'm only interested in the booking off. You can also write the query for that. Let's say I'm gonna copy that. I'm only interested in the name of the city, cities dot settings, let's do that. Or you can also go more nested, booking of, let's say I want to see the bookings of all cities. Let's see, let me comment this one. You can see that I got the name of the city. If you don't want the ID back, you can also exclude the ID. Now you can see that we have the name of the city and the booking settings, booking off. You can see that. You can also do more projection, just like a slice is another operator, and this one, the slice operator. Let's say I want to slice the array of the city. I can say cities. I can use the slice. Let me check the syntax of slice. Yes. Object syntax. Slice should be 1. 1 means please give me the first city here. The first city is Lahore, the first city is Mumbai, and we have only one city. It's gonna give me the UK. Let's comment the existing one. Now you should see only the first city. Do it again. You can see I got the first city. What about if I want to get the last city? You can use the -1. That looks good. You can see the last city is FST. If I have another city, I can say it's gonna give me the Multan. Now you can see I got only one city. This one. This is how you will do the projection in MongoDB.